Is Shortcut tab missing in Properties window? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you have ever opened in the properties of an application file, you might have seen the Shortcut tab there. The Shortcut tab is useful for adding arguments to an application. Some users found the Shortcut tab missing in the Properties window in Windows. This is a problem because you cannot define arguments for an application until the Shortcut tab appears again. If you are in such a situation, the solutions provided in this video will help you fix the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. From which location you are opening the exe file properties. It is an important point to take care of when opening the exe file properties. If you open the exe file properties from File Explorer by visiting the installation directory of the application, you will not see the Shortcut tab. In such a situation, create the desktop shortcut of the exe file. To create the desktop shortcut of an application, right-click anywhere on your desktop and select New, then select Shortcut. Now, follow the on-screen wizard to create a desktop shortcut. Alternatively, you can also create the desktop shortcut by following these steps. Go to the installation location of the application. For this, click on Windows 11 Search and type the name of the application. Right-click on the application in Windows 11, search Results. Select Open File, Location. The above steps will open the installation directory of the selected application. Now right-click on the exe file and select Show More options. Then select Send to the Desktop. After creating the desktop shortcut of the application, right-click on it and open its properties. You should see the Shortcut tab in its properties. Method 2. Delete and recreate the shortcut on your desktop. Delete the shortcut of the application and recreate it. We have already talked about the process of creating the desktop shortcut of an application. Method 3. Repair your system files. You may also experience such a problem due to the corrupted system image files. Windows 11 comes with built-in command line tools. You can run System File Checker to scan and repair your corrupted system image files. Open Command Prompt as an administrator. To do that, search for CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose the Run as Administrator option. Type this in the elevated Command Prompt window. Windows will scan and repair corrupted system files. Once complete, restart your PC and check if the hard drive is recognized. After the SFC scan is complete, run the DISM scan. This fixes deeper Windows component corruption that diagnostics depend on. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Run these commands one at a time. Wait for each command to complete. Restart your PC. Do not interrupt the process. After both scans are complete, restart your computer and see if the problem is fixed. Do note that you should launch the command prompt as an administrator to run both SFC and DISM scans. Otherwise, you will get an error. Method 4. Perform System Restore. You can restore your system to the previous working state by using the System Restore tool. Here are the steps for a system restore. Type Control Panel in the Windows search menu and choose the top option. Select the recovery option as shown below. From the next options, choose Open System Restore and click on the Next button. Choose a preferred restore point and click Next. Finish the process by clicking on the Finish button. System Restore will also restore the registry changes you made after a certain date. Hence, if incorrect registry modifications cause a problem, this step will resolve it. This action will uninstall all programs installed after a particular date. Method 5. Reset your PC. If the issue still persists, you can reset your PC. This action will reset your computer to the factory default settings. You can choose whether to erase your data when performing this action. Here is how to reset your PC. Open Settings, choose Windows Update, go to Advanced Options. Choose Recovery tab. Click the Reset PC button. Select Reset Type. You will be given two choices. Keep My Files. This removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. Remove Everything. This wipes off all files, apps, and settings for a fresh installation. If you choose Remove Everything, Windows will ask, remove files from all drives or only the drive where Windows is installed. Whether to clean the drives, it is recommended if you are giving away or selling the PC. After selecting the Getting Things Ready screen will appear. Windows will show a list of apps that will be removed. A copy of this list will be saved to your desktop after reset. If your PC was recently upgraded to Windows 11, you may see this message. This PC was recently upgraded to Windows 11. If you reset this PC, you won't be able to undo the upgrade and go back to the previous Windows. Click Next, then hit the Reset button. This process may take up to an hour. Your computer will restart several times during the reset. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This action will also restore your registry to the default settings. Hence, resetting a computer is helpful because it reverts the changes in your registry and fixes issues caused by incorrect registry modifications. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.